Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at top past questions on Inequality random questions, top random questions. Now, our first question says, simplify 16 over 25 of two whole number 1 over 2. Now, in order to do this, let's start with changing our improper and mixed fraction to an improper fraction 1. It says 16 over 25 of two whole number 1 over 2. Now we know that a two whole number 1 over 2 is something as 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2, which gives us 5 over 2. Okay, so replacing two whole number 1 over 2 with 5 over 2, we have it as 16 over 25 times 5 over 2. 5 here 1, 5 into 25, 5. 2 here 1, 2 into 16, 8. This leaves us with 8 over 5. Now, in proper fractions, that will be 1 whole number 3 over 5 in mixed fractions. Okay, now our question 2 says, what is the value of 247 base 10 to base 2? Now, since we are converting from base 10 to base 2, we use our division method. So this will be 247 divided by 2. 2 into 200, 1. Into 4, 2. Into 7 will be 3. Remainder 1. 2 into 1 cannot, 0. Into 12, 6. Into 3, 1. Remainder 1. 2 into 61 gives us 30. Remainder 1. 2 into 30 gives us 15. Remainder 0. 2 into 15 gives us 7. Remainder 1. 2 into 7 gives us 3. Remainder 1. 2 into 3 gives us 1. Remainder 1. 2 into 1 gives us 0. Remainder 1. So this, we read upwards, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2. So this equals to 247 base 10. Alright, that's for our question 2. Now, for our question 3, it says, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is minus 48. Find the numbers. So if we are to find the numbers of 3 consecutive numbers, that means these numbers, when we talk about consecutive numbers, the numbers follow themselves, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now those are consecutive numbers. Okay, so 3 consecutive numbers. Let the first number be, let's have it as x. Let the first number be x. So the second number would be x plus 1. And the third number would be x plus 2. Okay, so now having this, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals minus 48. So now this gives us 3x plus 3 equals minus 48. Okay, so 3x equals minus 48 minus 3. So 3x equals 8 plus 3, 1, 11, minus 51. Okay, so therefore, x equals minus 51 over 3, which gives us minus 3 here, 1, into 21, 7. So our first number will be x equals minus 17. Okay, x equals minus 17. Then x plus 1 will be minus 16. And x plus 2 will be minus 15. So these three numbers. Now let's check if these three numbers gives us 48. We have 17 minus 16. Okay, minus 17 minus 16. This gives us, this plus this will give us 3 carry 1. So this gives us 33. Minus 33 minus 15 gives us 8 minus 48. So our answers are correct. We have 17, 16, and 15 as our number digits. Now to the next question, it says evaluate, and next question says evaluate 934 minus 371 minus 209 minus 145. Now, this opening of this bracket, we have 934 minus x minus becomes plus 379 minus 209 minus 145. Now, adding this, 9 plus 4 gives us 13, write down 3, carry 1. 10 plus 1, 11, write down 1, carry 1. 9 plus 3 gives us 12 plus 1, 13, minus 209 minus 145. Okay, now we have 1313 minus 209. Okay, 13 minus 9 gives us 3. Sorry, 13 minus 9 gives us 4. So this is 0. 0 minus 0, 1, 1. So 1104 minus 10145. Alright. Now, borrowing 1 from here, we have this as 10. We borrow from here, we have this as 14 minus 5 gives us 9. Okay. Now, 9 minus 4 gives us 5. This is 0. 10 minus 1 gives us 9. So our answer would be 959. Alright guys, to our next set of questions, it says, the angle of elevation of the top of a school hall from a girl on the ground is 30 degrees. If the hall is 20 meters tall, what is the distance between the girl and the foot of the hall? Now, in order to calculate this, let's put it in a diagram. Now, they say the angle of elevation, let's say this is a hall, and we are told that the hall is 20 meters tall, okay? And the angle of elevation, that means up this way, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now, it says, calculate the distance between the girl and the foot of the hall. So we are looking for this. Now, if we are to find this, we have our opposite and we are looking for adjacent. Okay, this is our opposite. Remember, in your right angle triangle, you have your hypotenuse facing your known angle, opposite, and adjacent. So in this case, this is our adjacent. So this is adjacent and this is opposite. So here we are using the formula SOH CAH TOA. So where we have opposite and adjacent is a TOA. So that would be tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Now in this case, tan 30, which is our theta, equals opposite, which is 20 over x, which is the adjacent. So for us to find x, x will be 20 divided by tan 30. So 20 divided by tan 30, 20 divided by tan 30 gives us 34.64 meters. So the distance between the girl and the foot of the hall would be 34.64 meters. Now, to the next question, it says, Joseph borrowed 150,000 at a compound interest of 5% per annum. How much will he pay back at the end of 2 years? Now, our principal here is 150,000. Rate is 5%, and the time is 2 years. Now, using our formula, compound interest equals principal bracket 1 plus r over 100 raised power t. This will become, our compound interest will be, principal is 150,000 bracket 1 plus r, which is 5 over 100 raised power 2. So this will be 150,000 bracket 1 plus 0.05, okay, raised power 2. So this will be 150,000 times 1.05 squared. Okay, this will give us 150,000 times 1.05 squared. So that will be having us 165,375. So at the end, he'll be paying 165,375 as his interest. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed this lecture with us thus far, don't forget to subscribe and share this link with your friends. Alright guys, to our next set of questions, it says, solve the inequality. Now, we have 5x minus 8 less than or equals to 2x plus 10. Now, to solve this, we can quickly collect our like terms together. 2 going over becomes negative, 8 going over becomes positive. So this becomes 5x minus 2x, 10 plus 8. So this gives us 3x equals 18. So dividing both sides, 3x over 3, 18 over 3. This leaves us with x is less than or equals to 6. Alright, now to question 2, it says evaluate 3 bracket 3r plus 3 plus 6 bracket 4r minus 0 equals 0. Now opening up a bracket, we have it as 3 times 3, 9r plus 9 plus 6 times 4, 24, r, 6 times 0, 0 equals 0. Okay, so this is 0, we can wipe this out, equals 0. Now, bringing our terms together, 24 plus 9 gives us 33r equals minus 9. Negative going, okay, let's have it as plus 9 equals 0. So positive going over becomes negative. 33r equals minus 9. So r equals minus 9 over 33. 3 here, 3, 3 here, 11. So r equals minus 3 over 11. Okay, to the next question, we have it as find the HCF of 48 and 45. Now, we can find it in two methods, in two ways. Either we go directly 48 and 45, looking for what to divide both of them equally. So, we start with 3. 3 into 48, 3 here, 1, into 48, into 18 will give us 6. Okay, and 48 and 3 into 15 into 45, 1 into 15, 5. So what else can divide them? Now, at those points, nothing more can divide 16 and 15. So our HCF would be 3. Now, second method we could do 48, factors of 48 would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16 times 3. And factors of 45 would be 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 5, 15. And 15 times 3, 45. So what is common here would be 3 and 3. So that's the only thing common among them. So our HCF here would be 3. Okay, now to the fourth question. It says from the product of 4 and 14, subtract 24. So we have the product of 4 means multiplication. 14 times 4 will give us 4 times 4 will give us 16. Write down 6, carry 1. 4 times 1, 4, that is 56. Okay, minus 24 will give us 2 and 3. So this will be 32 divided by 8. And 32 divided by 8 would give us 4. So our answer would be 4. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed our lecture so far. If you've done, don't forget to share this link with your friends and share this knowledge with others. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. See you in our next class.